forget to oil your hair like really well when using this yarn, because it can dry out your hair. So make sure you pay extra attention to, like, you know, greasing your hair. You know, these braids are going to be in for a minute. That's just a, you know, a little tip I wanted to add, you guys. I don't want you to put this in and it dries out your hair and, you know, no breakage. And that's the goal. You're trying to keep hair. Alright, guys. So I put this around the perimeter of my hair, you guys. I use yarn so that when I do the individual braids around the perimeter, my edges are protected, because you know this is sensitive. You know, those who know, you know. I don't want your edges to be all bald, and you know, sister girl already trying to go back her edges. So I'm not playing with these damn braids. So I'm trying to make them as light as possible. So I'll be back with you guys with the finished touch. And like I said earlier, if I didn't put it in, you guys, I'm going to be doing half and half. So around the perimeter, I'm going to be doing individual braids. And in the back, like, part, I will be doing crochet. So half and half. And I'll be back with you guys with the end result. Yeah, it's going to take me some time, but it's all good.